Hello guys, welcome back. So now we'll create our first Angular app, that is Hello World app. In order to create an app, we need to have Visual Studio Code, an IDE. Let me show you. I have already installed Visual Studio Code and I have the terminal open. So this is the terminal. If you don't find the terminal, you just go here and click on New Terminal. You'll have it here. And in order to create an app, we need to follow the steps which I have given over here. Let's say we need to create an app called Hello World app. So the first command which we are going to use is ng new hello world app -hyphen no standalone. So if you don't use this, it will create additional files which are not required. So let us use ng new hello world app -hyphen no standalone. And hit enter. Currently I don't need the Angular routing, so I say no, and we'll select CSS. We'll wait until this is done. So now you can see all the packages have been installed successfully. You see there is an app which is created over here called Hello World app. I'll explain about the uh, other things which are under the app later, but you can just see the app has been created for us. And let's try to build this app. So we'll use the command ng build in order to build the project. So before that, let's switch the location to Hello World app in our terminal. Yeah, we are now inside Hello World app. We need to build it, so I say ng build. So this will basically compile all TypeScript code to JS files. All the TypeScript code will be compiled to JavaScript. I'll be explaining the structure of Hello World app later. So we'll go through each one of the files which are present inside the Hello World app later. For now, we are just trying to create a project and then build it and then host it onto the local server, because this is our first Hello World app. Okay, as you can see here, once it is built, a new folder has been created called dist. So all your compiled files will be packaged into this dist folder. So now we have run the ng build. It has built successfully. Now we'll try to host the app onto the server, local server. Ng serve -o will directly open it onto the browser. Like, it will open the app directly on the browser. If you don't give, you will have to go to the browser manually and then run it. So I'll just say ng serve -o. I'll explain these files which have been generated later. Yeah, so now our application has been hosted onto the local server that is running on port 4200. So Angular runs on port 4200. This is our local development server. So what I can do is, not to, so this is our module.ts, app component.ts, and app component.html. So whatever content you are getting on the screen is rendered from here, and this is our index.html. This is our first HTML file which will be sent to our browser. So this has app root tag. I'm just giving you an idea. So this has app root tag, so it refers to the app component ts. So it picks up the app component HTML for the first time, and it renders whatever content is inside this app component HTML file. Let me remove this and save. Let me save it. So you can see our Angular app is running on local development server 4200, and I have changed the content in the app component HTML file. So hello world, this is our first Angular app, and our app is successfully running on the server. And also you can update it. Changes saved. As you see, I'm making some changes in our HTML file. As soon as I save it, it will be reflected onto the screen. So whatever changes you make on the component HTML file will be automatically rendered on the screen. Yeah. So that is it. It is all about how you create a Angular application and build it, and then how you are going to run it. So I hope you like this, and you can also stop the server if you want. And once you stop the server and reload it, so you'll not be able to load the Angular application. So that's it. Thank you.